guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk a little bit about securing your ATV or UTV to your trailer and what I've found over the years to be not only one of the best systems for doing that, but definitely the most versatile system. And as you can see, that is this Erickson E-Track system. Now I've been using the E-Track for about 3 or 4 years now. I started out with it on my old 5x10 utility trailer that I used to transport one ATV. I went from just having a tie-down point in each corner on that trailer to installing the track system, which gave me dozens of tie-down points. As you can see on the E-Track, you have a tie-down position almost every inch or so, where you can click in the different attachments that Ericsson makes. Now, Ericsson makes a lot of different attachments for the E-Track system. I'm using just the standard tie-down strap. This is an 8-foot tie-down strap with the E-Track ends on them, which click right into the slots in the track. So I use these to go around each tire. You can see I've got 4 of them, one over each tire. The benefit to attaching this way to the tires as opposed to a part on the machine above the suspension is that you don't get any suspension sag while you're driving down the road. So what you may have found transporting yourself, and what I found over the years, is that if you're not able to compress the suspension enough when you tie down the machine, that sometimes with the bounce of the trailer as you're going down the road, those straps can loosen up. The hooks can unhook from whatever they're hooked onto, and now you've got a strap that's fallen off. With this E-Track system, these clips cannot fall out of the attachment point that they're in. They're locked into each channel on the track and cannot come out until you push the lever to release them. Now I've gone ahead and taken off one of the straps here just so you can see how easy it is to attach your strap or accessory, whatever it is you have, to the track system itself. You can see on the end of the attachment point here is a small lever, and that just moves out of the way. So when you pull that back, that's going to be the end that you put into the track first, put the other end in, and it's secured. And that's how easy it is. When you want to take it out, lift up the lever and pull it out. So you can instantly move these anywhere you want to on the track, up or down, and have as many attachment points as tracks that you choose to install. Now, one of the features that makes the E-Track system so versatile is the number of accessories that Ericsson makes for the system itself, and aftermarket accessories that you can get through third-party suppliers as well. One of those accessories that I've seen fairly widely used and reviewed quite a bit in other videos is the wheel chock tie-down system that Ericsson makes. It's not a full E-Track system in that it's not an accessory that clips into the tracks. It permanently attaches to your trailer or your truck bed and now allows you to use the E-Track straps over the tires of your ATV or UTV. The main drawback I find with those is that it limits the use of your trailer from that point on, because you now have 8 wheel chocks sticking up at the 4 tire locations on your trailer. So if you wanted to carry anything flat on your trailer now, plywood or anything like that, any sort of furniture or anything, you now have these obstructions in the way that are sticking up all over your trailer. By just putting down pieces of track, you don't have that problem. You can put your straps wherever you want. You don't have to worry about driving over chocks or anything like that. And when you're not using them, they're not in the way. Touching a little more on the versatility aspect, I use this Triton trailer to transport anywhere from 1 to 3 ATVs at a time in any combination. Sometimes I've got 1, 2, or 3 on here. And you can imagine if I was using those wheel chocks, how difficult it would be to change up configurations. I usually have, if I'm transporting the one machine, you can see it here, you generally would sit in that position. If I transport 2, then I move this one up a little bit so it's a little bit closer to the front, and then I side load a bike at the back here. So again, with the wheel chock system, it just wouldn't work if I had chocks permanently attached to the track. When I load 3 machines, obviously all 3 would be side loaded on this Triton trailer. This is a 14-foot Triton. It's the 1490 model. And I can side load 3 machines on this trailer, and having the track all the way down the side gives me the versatility to secure anywhere I need to. So if you're the type of person that uses your trailer for multi-uses and isn't just specific to transporting one vehicle, then I would stay away from the wheel chock system myself and go with just putting down sections of track wherever you need them. Now, just to quickly touch on some of the other accessories that Ericsson makes, these are some of the O-rings I was talking about. Now, what these will allow you to do is now take any standard strap that you have, any ratchet strap or any type of strap, and hook it onto your E-track in whatever position you want it. So if you don't have the specific E-track straps, you can still use any standard ratchet strap or tie-down strap with these O-rings and move them wherever you need them. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you're looking for different ways to strap down your ATV or UTV, I highly recommend the E-track system from Ericsson. If you did find this video helpful, I'd appreciate a like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.